y'all, it's Crystal with MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make Queso con Chorizo, which is cheese with chorizo. So basically this is just a really cheesy chorizo that you can scoop with tortilla chips or spread on a tortilla and roll up and eat like a burrito. Either way, it's stupid delicious. Oh, did I mention I only had like 3 ingredients? So let me show you how to throw it together. So I have the chorizo sausages uncased and in a skillet. Of course I'm using a cast iron skillet because that's just me, but you don't have to. And I am going to break them up with my spoon and brown them up. And after they have browned for about 5 minutes, then I'm going to add some minced onion to the mixture. And you can add some garlic if you'd like. I mean, it's not necessary, but vampires are a real danger. And if you like it extra spicy, you can add a little bit of diced jalapenos to the mix. So I have my ingredients here for this dish. I've got my cooked ground chorizo, and I added a little bit of minced onion, garlic, and jalapeno to my chorizo while it was cooking. I've got some shredded pepper jack cheese, and I have some shredded Oaxaca cheese. Now Monterey Jack cheese will do, or any other kind of shredded Mexican cheese that you like, but the combination of pepper jack with Oaxaca cheese is my personal favorite. You can also make these in teeny tiny little portions. You don't have to make a whole bunch of it. So I'm gonna go throw this in the oven, 425 degrees, until it's nice and hot and bubbly. All right, so let's talk tortillas for a minute. You can buy the pre-made tortillas in the bread section or Mexican section of your grocery store, but go to the refrigerated section and see if you can find these. They are tortillas that are raw, uncooked, just the dough, but in tortilla shape. So you put them in a hot pan, cook them on each side, and they are so good. They are amazing. So I've got my my queso con chorizo and my flour tortilla. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube at Mrs. Happy Homemaker. But I'm that housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit.